Welcome to Digital Learning, dear students. We are today solving one more problem in the chapters Consignment Accounting. This is the 15th session of this chapter, Consignment Accounting. There is a second chapter in Financial Accounting 2 of second semester BCom of Mangalore University. The problem is like this. Rakesh and Company consigned to Ramesh 20 tons of coal costing rupees 20 per ton and incurred 62,000 expenses. So this is the goods consigned and this 62,000 is the expenses. It is not given about the what type of expense it is. Is it customs duty or clearing charges, rent, insurance? Nothing is mentioned here. So what we can assume is that it is a non-recurring expense. Ramesh reported sale of 15,000 tons at 30 rupees per ton. So sales by the consignee is 15,000 into 30 rupees. The expenses incurred by Ramesh means consignee, where sales expenses 2,000, insurance rupees 1,000. So total expenses by the consignee is 2,000 plus 1,000, that is 3,000. He is entitled to a commission of 5% of the sales. The commission on sales is 5%. The consignee enclosed a bill for the amount due and reported a shortage of weight of 200 tons. So for the balance, he enclosed a bill. So he sent the account sales. It sent the details of the sales and expenses, and along with that, he enclosed a bill for the amount due. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ consignees account ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯೋ ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೆ we should write by bills receivable account. And reported a shortage of weight of 200 tons on the whole consignment. So there is a shortage of the weight. Out of 20,000 tons, they have found that shortage of weight of 200 tons. This is a normal expense in case of the coal. It is a normal expense, we can say. So prepare consignment account and Ramesh account. They have asked us to prepare consignment account and the consignee's account. So first of all, we will prepare in the books of the Rakesh and Company consignment account. So entries are very much easy here. First entry is 2 goods sent on consignment as given in the problem, 20,000 into 20. That is 20,000 into 20, 4 lakh rupees. Next is expenses. Along with that, it is given in the sentence, expenses is rupees 62,000. So expenses to bank account rupees 62,000. Next, it is given in the problem here. Expenses incurred by Ramesh were 2,000 and 1,000. Sales expense 2,000, insurance 1,000. So it is here Ramesh's account, that is consignee account, sales expense 2,000, insurance 1,000. Clear. Now again, next item is sales. How much is sold? 15,000 tons sold. So by Ramesh's account, which is sales, narration should be written as sales, 15,000 liters into 30, 4,50,000. Now commission, as I already read from the problem, 5%. So it is to Ramesh's account commission 4,50,000 into 5%, that is 22,500 rupees. Now we should calculate the consignment stock. So here there is no abnormal loss, but there is a normal loss. When there is a normal loss, we should follow this formula for calculating the consignment stock. First of all, we should know quantity of the consignment stock, quantity of the closing stock in hand with the consignee, total coal consigned is how much? 20,000 tons. Total coal consigned is 20,000 tons. Shortage of weight. Total coal consigned is 20,000 tons. Out of 20,000 tons, there is a report of what we say shortage of the weight, which is a normal loss. So that should be deducted 200 tons, 20,000 tons minus 200 tons. Then quantity of the coal sold is 15,000 tons. So now 20,000 minus 200 minus 15,000. You are getting quantity of closing stock rupees 4,800. Now apply this formula. Closing stock is equal to cost of goods sent plus non-recurring expenses divided by quantity of goods sent minus quantity of normal stock into 100. So here cost of goods sent is rupees 4 lakh. Non-recurring expense which is given along with the goods sent is 62,000. Then quantity of the goods sent is 20,000 tons. Quantity of the normal loss is 200 tons. That is into unsold stock we have calculated now 4,800. So when you make the calculation 4,62,000 divided by 19,800 into 4,800, you will get a amount of 1,12,000 as the consignment stock, which should be written here by consignment stock account 1,12,000. Now you can total the consignment account. Credit side is 4,50,000 plus 1,12,000, 5,62,000. It is 5,62,000. So 5,62,000 is the total. 4,50,000 plus 1,12,000 means 5,62,000. Now from 5,62,000, what we have to do is we have to deduct the amount. That is from 5,62,000, we can deduct the amount. So the balance here is in the consignment account, the total is 5,62,000. You deduct from 5,62,000 4,62,000 minus 3,000 minus 22,500, you will get balance 74,000 rupees. This is consignment account. Next one is consignees account. See, from the consignment account we have to carry something. By Ramesh's account it is here. It will come here as consignee. Consignee here. Who is the consignee here? Consignee means here it is Ramesh's account. We can write it as Ramesh's account. Ramesh's account. So here in Ramesh's account, what we should do is in consignment account on the credit side there is by Ramesh's account. It will come here as to consignment account sales 4,50,000. Then again in the consignment account you see here to Ramesh's account, it will come here as by consignment account 2,000 plus 1,000 3,000. Again in consignment account there is one more item to Ramesh's account 22,500. It will come here as by consignment account 22,500. Now you total this 4,50,000. Total this 4,50,000 minus 3,000 and minus 22,500. You will get a balance of 4,24,500. So that balance is settled by issuing bill. It is given in the problem. So what we have to do is by bills receivable account 4,24,500. This is the end of this problem. I will be sharing with you two more problems which you have to work out in today's session. So I am not adding it in this video. I will be separately sending you two more problems that should be solved by you as a part of today's session. Okay, thank you for listening to the class.